So once you have entered this area, you got this sort of volcano-like. You can pick whatever you want. Everything, as I said, is included. Okay, guys. So as you can see, Amber has just come upstairs, and I realized upstairs is full PS5. So three of us has crawled into this little tiny, cozy spot. You can achieve right here salmon freedom. I'm about to review the actual costs of the whole thing. You won't believe. Hello guys, welcome to Global Hopper. Now if you look at behind me, you can see this rather grand building, a massive entrance. That is actually a Chinese spa. It's very famous on the internet, Chinese spa, because you can stay up to 16 hours and everything is included. You can have unlimited drink, unlimited food. You can have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a midnight snack for a certain amount of money. So I will review how much you'll pay for this at the end of the video. But let's go in and we're gonna stay for a few hours and see how amazing inside is. So let's go. So this is what the lobby of the spa look like. What did you see? Right. Amber has seen Haagen-Dazs, so she's very excited. Right, so the first thing, guys, is change your shoes. We're gonna go now and get changed. Wow. What an entrance. Okay guys, I have now changed. Quite cool. Got a lovely spa area. Okay guys, we have now arrived on the third floor and it's absolutely amazing. The second floor is ready for lunch and dinner, but since we're past lunch, we have to wait for dinner. But let me show you the third floor. Starting is this incredible fruit zone. Let's see what fruit they have. You can pick whatever you want. Everything, as I said, is included in the actual price. And then you can have, whatever drink that you want. Amber, why don't you pick a drink? See which one you like. Yeah, go get a Coke. You are having that Coke. Can you get me that Korean looking thing? That looks good. Hold it for me, please. As you can see, guys, there are loads and loads of selections. Okay. And you got different tea that you can enjoy. Wife is making. Right. Let me show you something really cool just over there. This is a really cool area. Got some really awesome stuff. Yeah. They are full of like a little restroom, not as in toilet, but as in places that you can have a break. And I got Newtons. Oh, these things. And then you got loads of Lego bricks you can play. iPad. I guess you can play games here. Amber has just fallen down. So you can just sit here and have a good time, I guess, playing iPad. Dun dun dun. Yes. This is so cool. Hello. Hello. So once you have entered this area, you got this sort of volcano-like rest area. You see in all these little coves, you got little chairs, ambient lightings. That's so cool. And look, Amber and my wife is having a good time. Hello, welcome to my new home. That is so cool, isn't it? It's like having a break inside a volcano. And there are loads Yeah, this is... I'm gonna sit down. Ta-da! It's like I'm literally resting in some alien space. Left instead of the right, you come to a Japanese-inspired rest area. Look. A very small room. More relaxing places. Those ones more conventional. Got a center stage. So this is a gaming room. Every pot has lots of high-end gaming machines. Let me show you the one that's been turned on. Okay guys, so as you can see, Amber has just come upstairs, and I realized upstairs is full PS5. So a very decent sized room with massive TV and PS5 there. So hey guys, Amber and I was playing some racing games. I won the first 2 rounds. She won the last one, but that's because I deliberately lost. Oh my god.
Oh, sold! 我哪去了？这上面，你这上面。So stupid, this stupid thing.
Okay guys, we are now on the 4th floor, and there is little capsule places. Look at that. It's so small that you have to crawl inside. 3 of us has crawled into this little tiny cozy spot. We're gonna have a quick rest and talk and show you guys the capsule cabinet in a bit. Oh yeah. Look guys, capsule hotels.
Oh.
It's rather noisy. In rooms like this, you can actually have foot massage. I do have to let you know that foot massage is absolutely amazing, but it does cost an extra 14 quid for 45 minutes. Alright guys, we find more capsule. These ones are more cyberpunk. It's cool, isn't it? Here we go. Wow, look guys, there are loads of them. So you can actually have a movie theater. You can watch. Amber and I came to one of those little rest areas. Fruit. It's unlimited supply, so choose whatever you want. I enjoy. I mean, the size of the grip is incredible. Right, Amber and I decided to sit in the volcano place, so we're gonna grab some drink. I got a orange, and we have some really cool dragon fruit. It's too dark to see here, but it's just a beautiful environment where we can relax and talk. Halloween special, Amber gets bored. So we're gonna go and play some arcade. Come on. Okay guys, as part of the included in the price, you also get to play arcade. Cheating. Right, Amber is playing proper VR. Say fun, Amber. Okay guys, dinner is finally ready, and let me walk you around and see what they have. We got chicken, pork, duck, loads of seafood, loads of different seafood. sushis, all different type. Lots of fruits. Got sausages, pork, chicken wing, bacon, eggs, chips, barbecues, prawns, fried rice, clams, potato, tofu, eggs. And the other thing that's completely included in the price, completely unlimited, to Amber's delight, is ice cream, and not just any ice cream, it's Haagen-Dazs. What have you got, Amber?
Lamb skewer. Just like outside.
Lamb skewer, meat and chips. I got much better than Amber's. I got roast squid, salmon, seashells. Guys, the salmon is completely free, it's unlimited. The chef there will cut it in front of you, so you can have salmon freedom. Let's check out the taste. Oh, the sauce is very hot. Oh, guess what my wife got? Crabs as well. No, seriously, guys, the salmon is incredibly fresh, but it's the sauce, right? I'll just show you the sauce. The sauce here is so good. You can have as much as you want. Salmons. Superb. Okay, guys, we're gonna try the I don't know what you call this. Seashell. Get the meat out like that. Right? Dip it into the sauce. It's crispy and chewy at the same time. I love it. Delicious.
Good.
Okay, guys, now let's taste the roast squid. See how good it is. It's very chewy, but every time you chew, you definitely get this taste of the sea. It's very salty, but in a very good way. Only a very fresh squid can get you that taste. Guys, absolutely delicious. I love it. Free beer, free wine, as much as you want. I got beer here. Okay, as much as you want. Guys, you can't believe the cost of this thing. When I tell you at the end of the video, you will be so amazed, I'm sure. Beer tastes good. Crab is full of the, how do you call that, cream? The delicious part. Man. Wow. Beautiful. I want to get more portions of salmon and prawns and more seashells. Seriously, guys, you can achieve right here salmon freedom. Check this out. Man, what is it like to have prawn freedom?
Okay, guys, it's my time. Okay. So.
Gracias. What's that, Amber? Squid.
Is it?
Squid. Okay, guys, we have finished our meal. I'm absolutely starved, full of salmon and seafood.
Stuffed, not starved.
Okay guys, we have now finished our meal. I'm absolutely starved. I have taken so much salmon and prawns. Now here, I'm about to reveal the actual costs of the whole thing. You won't believe me when I tell you it costs £30 per person. You heard that right. £30 per person. You can stay here up to 18 hours and have unlimited fruit and drink and food whenever you want. 30 quid. Think about it. You can actually use this as a hotel, isn't it? Can't you? It will be more economical than staying in a hotel. But anyway, guys, this episode is a little bit different than the others. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and like the video. And I shall see you somewhere else in the next video. Cheerio.